Can't wait no more, bodies revealing out of my mind. It's you that I'm needing. I'll do whatever you say to me.
Oh. Damn it, you're kind of ruining my morning edit here. Oh, what a douche. Sup, dude? Josh is not much of a talker. Yeah, okay, now you can go back to your like edit thing. Just
you don't gotta say a word, just be there in the morning. You don't gotta say a word, just be there in the morning.
I swear that's like how every morning starts. I wake up, drink coffee with a view, and then I go for a hike. Every morning. I swear. It's cool. And good morning. Not a bad place to start the day. To be honest, it's pretty cold and pretty windy, and it's not that pleasant. But you can basically see like Portugal on the other side there. Get it? Because we're on top of the world. Because we're like on a mountain and stuff. Okay, let's go down. No, but seriously, I really do like doing something active in the morning. Gets your blood flowing, it gets your blood pumping. It's like your second coffee or something. Honestly, I just did it to act like I'm active on this vlog. But let's just pretend. Okay. No, but I do not like jogging just for a jog, like in a circle. The destination needs a purpose for me being there. That is why I like hikes. Because on the top, there's a beautiful view where you can relax, chill, have some snacks, and it's all good. No, but that is my opinion and my tip of the day. Jog to a place you have purpose, like to work or something like that, where you have a reason to be there, and not like in a circle around the water, around like a track or something. I think you will be way more motivated if you have a purpose of being there. I'm giving you these tips because I'm a fitness king, bro. Toren, let me just check out these musculosos. Hell yeah, bro. No, but the real reason why I'm at the cabin is because me and my dad have to paint the 3 cabins today. I'm gonna do some work right now. We are painting that cabin, that one right there. With that said, let's get in some painting clothes, get our hands dirty, and let's go. Oh, damn it, I was supposed to jump there, right? But while I'm painting and do some work, Philip hosted one of the craziest birthday parties this week. He rented a whole bus, a party bus, and we went through all of the city and did different activities like slip and slide. It was a crazy night. So while I am painting, here is a recap video of that day. Kaya.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. No one can make me go. No one's waiting there for me, and I just can't be alone. The green eyes on now I'm falling for the bad one, and I see your signs. I don't wanna go slow. I don't wanna go slow.
my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted.
And that is what I call a good birthday party. Thank you, Philip, for hosting that craziness. But we are el finito, muy bueno with the painting. The house is looking beautiful. So let's get out of these painting clothes. Let's try this one more time. Damn it! Alrighty, let's head down to the lake because I got something to tell you. This thing, it's like so fun. And it actually, we tested it, it actually goes up to 80 kilometers per hour. There is a drama going on here in Norway. Norway's actually banned grilling nationwide because of this beautiful dry weather. They are trying to prevent forest fires. Good enough? But you are actually not allowed to grill in your backyard even. And people are getting really upset about it. And if you do and get caught, you'll get on the police record. And if you get on the police record, then you can't go to the US and you can't study abroad. A lot of things go downhill if you have a police record here in Norway, of course. So, what do you do when you want to fly up a barbecue in your backyard and you can't? I'll tell you. Yes, I am winning. I am winning in life. What's up, dude? You doing well back there? Yeah, good. And just check out that barbecue though. We are out in the open lake, getting some ribs, getting some burgers. I just solved a nation problem. Instead of driving, it's gonna be surfing, bro. Like, hey dude, nice wave, want a burger? Dude, I am so smart, my entrepreneurial skills are amazing. To be honest, it's actually sinking right now, so I'm not really winning. And you are welcome, Norway. I just solved... Damn it. I just solved your national crisis. You can thank me later. But let's try this changing thing one more time. I think we got it right now. Let's do this, okay. Oh yeah! And with that done, we can end this vlog on a good note. If you enjoyed, then I post every single Sunday. So every Sunday there is a new video on this channel. So hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next Sunday.
You don't, 'cause you don't gotta say it.